Good afternoon, Blanders, Pinoy Blandan Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. We are now celebrating food safety. Ayan, nagsa-celebrate kami ng food safety. Raul, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Ayan.
How are you?
Ayan. So, napaka-init, Blanders. Parang giniginaw na naman ako. Ayan. Kami pupunta dun sa ano, may mga palaro daw. Why not bring umbrella? Here. Jaldi. Say brapol. We have brapol, Rahul, also. Celebrate namin ng ano, food and safety. So, ayan, meron kaming celebration. May pakain. Yun, may pakain silang noodles. Tapos may mga games. Where, Rahul? Rahul, where? Ha? Where? Very hot. Ice there. There, that side. Where? Where? Hindi naman namin makita. Where? Here?
Oh, wala pa talang sumo and hotel there.
Andito yung mga visitors eh. May mga visitors kami dito. Ayan. How we go? Ayan, dito na nga sila. Ayan, nakakagulo sila. Ayan ang mga paa. Ayan, nasa loob. Napakainit eh. Grabe. Ayan. Dito alang celebration ng aming health and safety. Ayan. O diba? Celebration ng health and safety. What is this? Coloring also? Ayan. May pa-Spanish ano pa sila. O diba? May pakulay. Nakakatuwa naman ang aming health and safety. Welcome back, Ate Beth. Tibet, alam mo bang nakumpay na?
Oo nga, ilan tayo nagkita.
Ano sa'yo? Nakakasyon din ako. Buti lang ako ng ano.
Nag-join ko lang nung Monday.
Off ko yun.
Kamusta na may bakasyon?
Di gastos. Kasi birthday ang nanay ko nag-fiesta. Ubus ko 200,000. Sabi nga nung kapag ko, pinagawa ko yung second floor mo, di sana. Okay. Ay, masaya naman. Tsaka pera lang naman yun. Hi. Ba't may mga corona pa? Ano ba ito? Ano daw ito? May pa-games? Ano yung mga kakagulo? Ayan, may pamic si Madam. O diba? Food and safety. Ayan. Diba? May pa-crown. Ay, ganon. Ay, ganon pa pala. Gusto ko yan. Ikaw muna, nakablog. Gusto ko yan. Pandali magpapapicture. Picture ako, sino magpicture? Paano magpicture? Oh. Boss, may paboot pa talaga si Kenneth eh, oh. Wala naman narinig eh.
Don't need mic. Flower na sa
Good afternoon. You're welcome.
You are invited today, and thank you for committing to this invite for the World Food Safety Day. Yet we are celebrating late, but better late than never. So CBD is commemorating this event to show how much is committed to food safety and how much CBD staff have a safety culture and how much it's going to show today through 3 games how much are you a safe food champion. So as you can see, we will be having 3 different tables for 3 different games. I want the best of you to win. If you win, you are a food safety champion. If you don't, tomorrow you have a training. That's for sure. Okay? So you will be winning some games, you will be winning some special reward to show how much you are important and how much you are symbolic to this section. For now, when we are going to start, I'm going to show you ladies. Is there a video to show?
Yes.
So I think you are going to be proud with the video that you are going to see. Bakery team and dairy team, please come forward.
Okay, just come forward. Come forward. Move forward. Move forward, guys. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward.
Pare.
So our schedule is this way. We will watch the video, we will congratulate you, you can play the games, we will have a cake cutting, you can take some pictures to commemorate the World Food Safety Day, and at the end, we want to show you how much we are committed, and we want you to remember the World Food Safety Day and how much it means. We will be giving you some souvenir, which is a coffee mug. For ladies, it will be a lady coffee mug, and for men, it will be a men's coffee mug. And food is for everyone. Is it okay?
Yes.
Better energy!
Yes.
Let's go shoot! Switch on the light, maintenance. Maintenance! Lights up! No music, no? Some music! So after you watch the video, we will be calling some names. You are the champions, okay? First champion. Don't kill me tomorrow. I did not choose the names. Let's start. So clap on you, my friend. Who is this?
Tutu.
Uncle.
Tutu.
Would you
Tutu. Where's Tutu? Where's Tutu?
Napakadali eh. Panood kami ng video. Kuto, 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 kuto. Let's kuto.
Next champion.
Meet up. corona. Madilim naman eh. Oo, madilim eh. Hindi makita.
Dapat kasunod si Siyam para king and queen.
Asarudin! 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 Asarudin!
This is cooking. Waiter.
Where is he? Where is he? Okay, next hero. Next hero.
Cherry!
She will get it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Next hero.
Pamila.
Next hero.
Wala. Off. Day off. Loli.
We don't like him.
May kamay na pinakita.
Sino yan? Apollo!
Next hero. Yes, that's fine. Busy? Okay. Next champion. I like the music.
Too much order.
Washing, walang diya ka.
Madilim lang kasi nanonood kami ng video yung mga hero.
Face reveal.
Sila yung mga hero.
A few more.
Wala pa si Kenneth Haukang. Kenneth ang title niya.
Now, we are done with videos, but we have a special hero in the factory. We want him to come forward. We call him Champion of the Industry. Please come forward, Mr. Prikam. Thank you. Now you can enjoy the game.
This belongs to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's
Alright guys, if you could just give me a minute. Well, today, thank you for being here, everyone. Thank you for being a part of this. This is a very important month for us. We're celebrating food safety, but more than everything, we're celebrating the contribution of each and every one of you to food safety. It is a big achievement for us. If you look at the number of complaints that we have, the number of food safety issues that we've got, almost like nothing, alright? So the contribution of each and every one of you to food safety is big. And thank you so much for that, alright? So we are doing this day to celebrate all of you, not necessarily food safety, alright? So thank you very much, all of you. Alright, so before we go ahead with the games, I wanted to thank a few people for being here. So we have representatives from Dubai Municipality themselves here to attend the event with us. I would like to thank Mr. Hisham and Mr. Safwan for being here. Thank you for coming all the way. I know the purpose was different, but thank you for being a part of this day with us. It really means a lot to us. It shows your commitment and our relationship for the last so many years. Thank you so much for coming.
we give you honor to cut the cake. In this pioneer,
I'll call you back. Yeah, everyone is busy. We have event here, that's why. Ask him to wait for.
Can we have a plate?
No, ask him to wait for 10 to 15 minutes.
Right. So, to start the rest of the day, we're going to have a small cake cutting ceremony. Okay. So we have our chief guest here. So could you come forward and so we go ahead and cut the cake.
This is more.
Thank you very much, everyone. We will be distributing this cakes to everyone. Yeah, so we have, as Kenza mentioned, we have food. We have a lot of cakes planned for you guys. Have fun, enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you all the visitors from head office. We have QA team, Mira, we have Bishan. Okay, yes. Reshma, thank you for coming and joining us. Would you like to speak a few words for us?
Okay, well, they left the talking to me because they know me, I talk a lot. So I would like actually to thank you all for inviting us to your facility. I cannot express my feelings right now because food safety is core of our business. It's not just my business, it's not his business, it's everybody's business. I was just telling Praveen how proud they should be to have such committed management team. Of course, we have Sharon here. She's a food safety guru. I consider her. While I was taking a walk around the facility, I couldn't help to notice people, how people behave, because food safety is about doing the right thing when no one is looking, okay? And it evolved from doing, they said quality assurance and food safety is common sense. But unfortunately, sometimes you see people with no common sense. So it evolved to a commitment, not just compliance, but doing a step further. So I did sense the commitment from you guys. I thank you for that because keeping the food system in Dubai and UAE as safe as possible is everybody's business. And right now, I think I feel happy with what I'm seeing, and keep on doing the good job. Thank you.
Sharon wants to speak a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for all the work you have been doing for the last 1 year. But I'm here to actually acknowledge Mr. Safwan, who's been with the Dubai municipality for 38 years. And Mr. Hisham, who's joined for the last 1 year. But between them, we are very thankful for our relationship with the Dubai municipality for the last many years. And today, the topic of food safety, the theme is actually to be prepared for the unexpected. So the food safety theme is unexpected, and the way we can do that, just one parting message would be, whenever you see something, please report and encourage your staff to report anything that you see that can be done. On that very good note, please enjoy today. Good job by Kenza. I love the energy she has brought to the factory. It's great, and Praveen, I'm sure in his leadership he will do a lot more things in the coming years. So thank you.
Before we start, thank you for Atira, Faziha, and Ashwini. You will enjoy the games and please win some gifts and some special gifts. Thank you.
Dance.
I didn't deserve this one, only Tina deserves this one.
Mr. Pop, Green. Oh, flower. You want to join in the game, ha? Way down. Oh yeah.
Let's take some pictures!
Give me the crown. I go there. Badan tayo. Dali.
Me and my bestie. Show me Aisha Ali. Check my
Diba? Reyna. Baba! Baba! We give you this. For you. You check the lighting. Check the lighting. Check the lighting. We give it for her. Yes. What is this?
First line has sanitizer in your card converter. So the first line is everything inside the card.
Guys, play the game.
Ah, bingo? Wala bang multi? Wala lang multi, di pa bingo. Yeah. Bingo. Di pa bingo.
Play.
Wala lang ballpen, madam. Kung nakaballpen, madala yung bingo. Hindi lang ako. Kapag-asyan gagawin dito. Nagkakagol sa pabingo. Hindi ako nanalo. Ayun ang bingo. Punuan. Ayan. Continuous. Nagkakantos ako. Okay. Naalo na kami. Ayan. What do you need?
Safety training.
So I need only quality check. Lolo. Layo. Ay, pasabi ang palayok pa.